Okay, we got a parcel today. It's from Amazon, so let's see what's in the box. Oh, what's this? Brush type air buster. As you see, it's got blowing and brushing dual use, simple operation, general adjustment, and safe and reliable. And it's got quite beastly power there. It's quite a big battery. So what's in the box, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got charging cable, USB-C type, so that's pretty interesting. We've got the blower itself. Oh. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's quite a big nice blower. And obviously that's the adjustments. Take that off there and stick it there. Click it on. And screw it in a little bit. Yep. And then it blows. And then you've got the buttons under here. So it's got a light and the fan. So the light's there. Just unscrew it if you want it and back it in. There was another one it come with as well. Oh, there you go. You've got a nice brush as well. So if you want to brush anything like a keyboard or something like that, quite handy to do. Or maybe we can use that for photography use. Obviously not on the sensor because it more likely scratch it, but you know, on the eyepiece and that it might be alright. Right. Ah, it does come with an instruction manual, which is good because you don't always get these. See if you need to charge it before you use it, shall we? Okay, so here we go. It's quite a short manual. There you go, how to charge. Insert the USB cable into the dust port. So, and then charge it into a phone adapter. USB charger basically. You don't use the project while it's charging, it doesn't recommend that at all, so make sure you charge it and then use it. It does look, it's quite heavy actually, but it's pretty usable. So let's see if we can find the port for it. There you go, there's the port on the back. So you charge the USB-C into there, which is obviously the smaller end of the cable. And then plug it in, and then I'm assuming there might be a light come on when you charge it, so we just plug it in and have a look. Okay, yep, was right. When you plug it in, you get a nice flashing red LED, and we'll let you know how long that charges from when it comes out of the box, and also what colour it gives if it changes colour. Okay, when it's fully charged it stops blinking, so it just does a solid red light. So when it's charged, solid red light. and we put it on about 230, so 3. So it took about 3.5 hours to charge it from out the box today using a iPad charger, USB iPad charger. So let's see if it works and show the performance and the power. Okay, so here's the test. We've got the blower here. So let's set it up, shall we? First things first. Clip the nozzles, plug it in, give it a nice screw because that helps. Turn it on, you press the button, it powers up, and then there's the leaf there, you see it works. Look at that. These are wet leaves as well. Let's get in there. It works. So you can get it powerful. You tap it from your power. There you go. It's going. They're going. That's the test. These are all wet leaves over here. Tapped it to turn it off.